In an effort to create a more efficient, transparent user experience, Partspace has released the infrastructure to display 18 unique data points for each part listed, allowing the buyer to make a true purchasing decision on Partspace. Let's take a look. This basic search displays 67 companies listing this Honeywell brake assembly. As you filter through the options, there's a lot more you need to know to make a purchasing decision. Now available on all vendor listings, the expanded view will display any additional part-level information that has been provided by the seller. This example displays multiple images on the actual part. Unit price, any associated national stock number, aircraft type, engine type, manufacturer, seller cage code, seller certifications, traceability, tag date, trace to, serial number, any attached documentation and traceability such as the FAA 8130, OEM C of C, or packing slips, any seller disclaimers. All additional part-level data is accepted by inventory uploads or web service APIs. Please contact Partspace today to help us build the supply chain of tomorrow.